Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Dean of Faculty of Sports Science Semarang State University, Chairman of the International Seminar of Public Health and Education, and to all participants who are happy. Let me expose the result of the research that I have done and may provide information and benefit to all of us. My title of research is the relationship of physical fitness, discipline and motivation of UNES security performance. Okay, we began our discussion, but first let me introduce myself first. My name is Aristianto, SSI MBD IFO. I am from the Sports Science program at the Health Faculty of Ngudi University. Why is the research important to reveal? Why is my research at Semarang State University, and why should security guard be the subject of research? Okay. And the topic about presentation it will be discussed. The first introduction into and then method, measurement of physical fitness, measurement of discipline, motivation and performance, data analysis, result and discussion. Talk about correlation between physical fitness with performance, correlation between discipline with performance, correlation between motivation with performance, and correlation between physical fitness, discipline and motivation simultaneously with performance. Number 4 is conclusion and then acknowledgement. Okay. Semarang State University is one of leading the educational producing institution in Indonesia, is organizing and developing education in educational program requires a high level of security carried out by security guards. So, security guards as police partners who carry out limited policing function in the context of empowering self-reliant security is a police partner in carrying out tasks in a special scope to increase legal awareness and maintain security in their environment. Safeguards as part of overall management in the context of controlling risks related to activities or business in order to create a safe, efficient, productive, and conducive environment. So, performance is how well someone does the assessment work. In this case, in accordance with the regulation of the Indonesian National Police Chief, number 24 years 2007 is covering about 1 traffic control, guarding, patrol, investigation, reporting, and securing. Related to that, investigate the performance of UNES security guards. Yes. UNES security performance can be optimized if supported by good physical fitness in addition to other factors. In some previous studies, physical fitness is a supporting factor for officers to carry out their duties optimally. And then discipline, in this case, one of the factors has an influence on good performance. Another factor that also determines performance is work motivation. Motivation is the strength that is in a person, which encourage behavior to take action. Method. This type of research is quantitative correlational. The population in the study were 109 members of the Semarang State University Security Guard. The sampling technique is done by a purposive sampling technique. The sample size was 61 members of the UNES security guards. Variable measurement at the physical fitness, the tool used is the ENB kesemaptaan test, and then discipline, motivation, and performance. We use the instrument by questionnaire who have gone through tests of validity and reliability. Okay. Data analysis. Data analysis in this study use regression and correlation analysis. To get the right analytical result, testing the analysis requirements is needed in order to obtain the following confidence. Data is normally distributed so that the normality test is done. Data must be linear, then through a linearity test. Okay. Result and discussion. The first, correlation between physical fitness with performance. Yes. From the result of the test, of the t-test. Yes. From the t-test, obtain T value is 3.060 with the value of the significant or p value is 0.003 less than 0.05. That means there is a positive and significant relationship, which means supporting the research hypothesis. Based on this result, it means that there is a significant influence between physical fitness on the performance of UNES security guards. And then 10.08% is effective contribution from physical fitness with performance. Okay, and then correlation between discipline with performance. From the result of the t-test, there is a positive and significant relationship, which means that support the research hypothesis. Based on the test result, based on this result, it means that there is a significant influence between discipline and the performance on a security guards. And then for 43.6% contribute of discipline to performance. And third, correlation between motivation with performance. Correlation between motivation with performance, based the result of the t-test, is mean there is a significant influence between discipline on the performance of UNES security guards. So 4.2% is contribute of motivation to performance. And fourth, correlation between physical fitness, discipline and motivation with performance. Based of value, based of F value simultaneous test, it's mean the independent variable or X simultaneously has an influence on the dependent variable. This is performance. And then 61.4% the effective contribution of the independent variable together to performance. So that conclusion is, it can be concluded that physical fitness, discipline and work motivation have an influence on performance by making an effective contribution of 61.4%, while the remaining 36.6% is explained by other variable is not examined in this study. It should be noted that there are other factors that also have a relationship between security guard performance. For this reason, it is hoped that in subsequent study, it will be able to explore more of this factor so that they will further enrich the findings of the study and broaden the treasury of science. Thank you. I'll convey to the Semarang State University Securities Guard who have agreed to become research subject. Researchers are also grateful to all leaders of UNES who have given research permission so that this research can run well. Thank you. The presentation is over. I hope can memberikan manfaat bagi kita semuanya. Thank you.